Yeah, dead.
Yo, what's up guys, Springbok Airsoft here, and today you guys join me at Special Ops, otherwise known as Spec Ops. And my first video, or should I say in today's video, I'm mostly going to be trying to get kills with these 3D printed grenades I got done about 2-3 weeks ago. And just to show you guys how you load them real quick, they take these 8-ring caps that you guys use in the toy guns, or that we used to use when we were kids. You put on a little plastic base, put that at the bottom with the up bit facing upwards. Then you take the upper piece, push down the spring loaded mechanism, put on safety, screw it on, and then you're ready to go. And then when you throw the grenade, it basically makes a loud bang on impact. With that said, let's get into the video.
What's hole? What's hole? Yeah. Good. Grenade, is it? Yeah.
Enemy?
There's one here. What's grenade? Right.
Didn't go off.
They may keep in there. Oh.
Hit. Sure about that one?
One more hand up right here.
They're all standing at the back.
Can I put over this?
You can reach out, we'd assume so. There's no one there. Any guy in that little room there.
Yeah, that's the thing. If we're able to get in through the right here, we can go in there and get him.
I'd say they're covering this hole, are they? Make sure that, yeah, now, because there's one holding the angle there in the wall. Not sure about your man on the left.
I got him.
You got the one on the right one?
Yeah, no.
Oh, wait, no.
No. You're dead.
You got something like the grenade there.
We can push in. Push in. Go straight into the right.
Yeah. Just gathering over the left side there. Put like that over there. Yeah, mixture in there. Two shields.
Anyone have a grenade?
Points in there.
If we can get in on the doorway on the left.
If you go up towards the wall, you'll be able to see through them.
You're watching left, yeah?
Oh. I'm gonna get my grenades. Dead man coming in. Dead man. Give me covering fire in 2 seconds. Shoot that way.
Just at the wall.
Yeah, dead.
Dead man.
Oh.
Did I get you all?
Well,
Literally, as you threw that, I was running up.
Dead man! Oh. Right, let's get out of here. Dead man, coming through! Still working? Yeah. Armband's around that.
I don't know.
I don't know, I saw him.
Armband?
Armband. Armband.
Just gonna have to go in and check.
Sorry, man. Jesus, scared.
Friendly.
Fucking goggles again.
Gotta respond, lad.
I got a new battery for it.
Guys, can you move it back there just in case we try the grenade and these will survive? The few of you is there.
Oh. No, I thought there was gonna be an enemy there. Take that, lad. I just seen you jump. Yeah, got him. Nice. They're behind us, to our left.
We're good. Okay, just watch for someone over there. The guy with the white boot's still there.
Really?
There's still a guy behind you there.
Oh, fine.
Yo, is there a guy behind you?
Fuck it. I'll come too. Let's go. I'm gonna go throw grenades in there. Let's go. What? Wait. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. They're in the thick bush, so you can't really get through.
Okay, can we go around here?
Yeah. They're on the wall though as well.
Ayush!
That's sick. Nice replay.
I think he's hit, lads.
There's another one.
The smell of wood is amazing here, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm gonna get in shit if I could do that. Oh, my knees.
Oh, Phil, someone looking at you.
Here, in the trench,
Wait.
There's a ghillie over there. Watch. I got him.
I don't know if he took that, man.
He should have. Fucking fog, man.
Man, get the X-Fogs. Only way to go.
I'm gonna get block tactical.
Yeah, I'll block tactical.
I got those OP drops, but they don't seem to be doing shit.
Sorry, man.
No, you're fine. I fell running to church. Landed right on a log. My knee is.
Oh, Jesus, sorry. Oh, poor fucker.
Didn't even know where we were.
We need to get off this corner, man.
How far is that?
Do we try push up or do we push back?
It's a bit of a road.
Here, in the bush.
They're about 50 metres, so there's a whole line of enemies. Shit.
Lads, if we get them to push up, we get enough of us.
Oh,
We
he's
should be
fucking
fine.
going for it.
Oh.
Let's go.
Go for it.
I got him.
Trench area.
The right shield up front there, Evan. Don't peek. Right shield up front, Evan. Stay, Evan. Stay, Evan. Hey, you got the grenades then?
Yeah.
Come on to me.
Watch my top. Hit. There, man. Go to the vehicle. That's everything for me today, guys. I'm gonna leave you out on some funny clips, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about the 3D printed grenades down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay, so Okay, good.
To the right.
One corner. On your back.
We have only if they die.
We're going all the way around that.
Are we allowed to? I think the cutoff line is.
If we're not allowed, we should be marshal there.
Yeah. But we could be past the marshal. You could be to the left, down the alley.
We'll see him here.
Go this way. Can't go that way. Nice, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Are we too deep?
Use our way out.
Oh.